Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix undisputed game not launching or won't launch problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to delete the game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up the saved data to the cloud storage first to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to setting, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now choose undisputed game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But please take a note, you will lose all the game progress and you have to restart from the scratch. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select undisputed game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm, and after this check problem solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 4 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch undisputed game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 5 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall the game and then check. Or if you are using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5 console, then reinstall or transfer the undisputed game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. And lastly, Undisputed team has also mentioned that they are releasing the hotfix 2.0.3. This will fix an issue with boxers ropes not being able to be unequipped. Fixed an issue in Chrome Gym with some texture not loading correctly. Fixed a possible loss of input when disconnecting and reconnecting gamepads in the initial load sequence. Updated lobby error messaging to be more accurate. So just wait for this hotfix 2.0.3, and when it is available then you can update the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix undisputed game not launching or won't launch problem on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.